All right, well, let's start. This is our Family Homeopathic Optimal Health workshop. This workshop is an educational experience, firstly designed for the members, but now designed for the whole public to understand the health and the difference between health and disease, and differentiating between symptoms and the absence of situations. So, um, but as the body's natural ability, that is concerned, it is able to adapt and communicate. Internally, it's able to heal itself. Rather than focus on only on the disease or crisis care, we wanted to touch upon how homeopathic therapeutics can help families and individuals in the society, and how we can emphasize more on the wellness rather than disease, and how we can increase awareness and inform decision making. So, when properly understood, homeopathy is not about suppressing symptoms. It is about recognizing symptoms as an information, which means that it's a signal. The symptoms could be or are considered as signals that will help us understand better what's going on inside, so that then we can help human body and support it. So you can start the healing process and move along the healing process further. As families learn in this workshop to observe and interpret these signals with confidence, they move away from fear and dependency towards clarity and movement and empowerment, which creates a movement. That is the end goal. So, throughout this workshop, participants will learn foundations of homeopathic medicine, and have practical knowledge about it, understand the lifestyle factors that affect healing in any case, with or without homeopathic medicine, develop the ability to observe the patterns rather than going by panic. At the end of it, gain practical tools so that then families can help with the common health situations, everyday situations that are everybody's facing. So we are very much excited to kick off this event, and I have by me Ms. Bianca, who's also one of the presenters here in this workshop. Officially, let me introduce her. Ms. Bianca Salgado is a holistic practitioner based out of Chicago, Illinois. She has been in holistic health field for 6 years and has joined Inner Path since August of 2025. Her mission is to advance holistic health and practice of homeopathic therapeutics. Yes, over to you, Ms. Salgado.
Thank you. Thank you for everybody being here. I appreciate the introduction, Dr. Abdul. Yes, my name is Bianca Salgado. I am a holistic health practitioner based out of Chicago, and I have been working in the holistic health field for 6 years now. Very passionate about homeotherapeutics and everything that it can do for healing. During this presentation, we will take you through everything that you need to know about the basics of homeopathy and how this is a healing principle, how this is a healing science that is used all over the world. And we want to bring it to, everybody here that is, in our workshop, so that you can utilize it for yourself, for your family, and advance the practice of homeopathy. And I will be presenting on the safety of homeopathy, the standards of practice as a homeopath, as well as the administration of homeopathy. So you will feel confident when exploring homeopathy on your own.
Well, thank you very much, Ms. Salgado. Appreciate that. And we greatly appreciate your input and your support in this endeavor and your time, um, so that we can propagate the right knowledge and tools of homeopathic medicine to our community here in United States. Very much appreciate that. So I'll go ahead and talk a little bit about what we have for today and how it looks like, and then we'll start with our first presentation about homeopathic medicine. So the first thing we will be starting maybe in a couple of minutes would be the past, present, and future of homeopathic medicine. And you will come to know all information about how homeopathic medicine came into being and what is the current situation and what's future that we are hoping for and we're working for. And then we will go about the perceptions. There's a small video of perceptions of homeopathic medicine. People around the world, what is the perception and what's the actual matter, which is homeopathic therapeutics. And along the way, we will also be tag teaming with Ms. Salgado, and we'll look into the comments as well. If you guys want to interact and have questions during these presentations, please do not hesitate to communicate with us so that then we can also respond to your questions right away or after the presentation. So the format of presentation is such that we are not able to entertain any questions or comments in between the presentation, but after the presentation, we will be happy to go ahead and take questions and also hear from you your thoughts. And by 10 o'clock, we will also have the presentation from Inner Path, how and what we have as what are our services for you as an individual, for you as a family, and how we can help in that area. And at the same time, by 10:45, we will go ahead and talk about the health assessment that is specific to homeopathic medicine and how it is different from the conventional medicine or allopathic medicine. We'll go ahead and do that. So that will pretty much conclude our morning session, and we have the evening session, afternoon session. That would be a snippet or a sneak peek of what will come tomorrow, which Ms. Salgado will also have a small presentation of 10-20 minutes about the overview of safety and standards in homeopathic medicine and how we can benefit from that. And then the last presentation in the evening, afternoon, will be 2:25. That is introduction to the remedy kit that we'll be handing off to people in person and participating here.